Hello and welcome. So today's topic is how we can copy folder from Google Drive into another folder. It's like I have let's say two folders. One have content and I just want to create a duplicate, kind of copy whole thing, every files and subfolders from within this folder, and copy into another folder just to make a backup. Okay, so keeping backup is as everyone's concern. So how do we do using app script? Normally if you see in Google Drive, we do not have that copy option, like folder copy. Either you have to move or download. So and also of course you can drag and drop things, but that's not option. Let's say you want to drag this whole thing here, like it's actually moved. So ultimately the copy option is not there. Like you want to keep the backup things, that's not here. So how do we copy the content from one folder into another one? I have searched a lot of in internet, Stack Overflow course, and come to conclusion that script I finalized is one of the best script. So let me show you that one. Where is that script gone? Okay, so this is my file and this is the script. Okay, so in this script I do not have to change much. I only need that folder, this folder ID. If you actually open the folder, and you will get this folder slash the alphanumerical string number, and that is your folder ID. So you get that folder ID and kind of use it in your script in source folder ID, and then you create a new folder from here, and then use open the folder, get the ID. Okay, this thing can be done multiple way. This is just what I feel the most efficient way of doing it. So this is your destination folder. I have tried other method also. So this is new method that I little bit happy with. Even though the part of the code is it took me a while to understand it, but anyway, just using this one. So let's run this one. We have the source folder ID and destination folder ID. So if you see, this source folder ID is this one, and this one is destination. In my destination folder I do not have anything here. Okay, so now I'm going to run this script, copy files, and it should copy the content from that source folder into the destination folder while keeping the content in the source folder. So if you wish to delete it from the source folder manually, you can do that. So now I see the content of copy folder is copied into copy to folder, but another problem is that you do not have that subfolder thing here. This is subfolder, right? So you can actually get the ID of this subfolder, open it, get the ID, and then you do one thing. In this folder you create a similar subfolder here. Even though it's unnecessarily long work, but this is what I feel at the beginning. This is for actually small bunch of files and folders. It's okay, this process is adaptable. But if you have too many folders and too many subfolders and files and things like that, then of course this also can be further recursive call of this function can be done, and it can be used, modified, and upgraded. So hope you at least understood this part, right? Whatever in the root folder of that coffee folder is actually copied into the target folder. Okay, thank you for this video. It's up to now.